In terms of employee options beyond work, we have a lot at WNS, some of which you cannot even imagine. So, of course, there are a lot of learning and development. There's a lot of self-improvement programs. There's a lot of well-being programs which are there as usual. But there are a few programs that really differentiates us from anyone else. Think of a CEO Millennial Council, where you can actually be part of a Millennial Council and drive strategic business objectives, and which are really presented to the CEO and the leadership team. And if you're selected, of course, you get to implement that. We have something called WinCubate, which is essentially an entrepreneurship program within the company. So if you have an idea that you feel you wanted to do as a startup, you don't need to go outside WNS. You can actually do it inside WNS, take your idea to a stage, present it to the CEO and the leadership team. And if you get to win the Incubate program, the program gets funded by WNS, and of course you have a stake in that. There are successful solutions like SocioShare that we have developed over the years, which were actually an outcome from the WinCubate program. And then we have other programs like employee assistance program, wherever there are different topics that gets covered, and you as an employee are at the center of it. And finally, how about someone checking every day? As we switched from a work from office to work from home mode, we did not have the way to get a pulse of the employees, right? You couldn't walk into the floor and find out, how are you doing or how's your day. What we did, we have Amelia, which is our AI-enabled bot, which can actually, not only wish you during the day, find out how you're doing. Any problem that you're facing, you can talk to Amelia. Either Amelia will answer for it, or Amelia will find out or tell you, where you can look up, right? So there's an all-round engagement that we cover for our employees, just to make sure that, you have a lot more to do beyond the work, and including self-development, including fun at work, including virtual connects, whatever you can think of, which makes it a very exciting journey.